GATE 2018 Civil Engineering Set 1 Question 3. At the point x equals 0, the function fx equals x cube has four options are given: A. Local maximum, B. Local minimum, C. Both local maximum and minimum, D. Neither local maximum nor local minimum. One needs to know about the concept of maxima and minima to solve this problem. So if we are given a function y equals fx and we need to check if this point is a maxima, to check if the point x0 is a maxima, we find the slope of the function at the point x0. We can see here that the tangent will be parallel to the x-axis, so the slope is 0. A subsequent check is the double derivative at x0 is found, and this for a maxima should be less than 0 because the slope is positive here and the slope is negative here. So we can see that the change of slope is positive to negative, which is negative. Similarly, for a minima, the first relation remains the same, but in the case of minima, we can see that the slope will change from negative to positive. So in that case, the double derivative change would be positive. A third point which usually comes is inflection point. In this case, f dash of x0 is 0, and when we try to find the double derivative, that also turns out to be 0. So when both the first derivative and the double derivative are 0, the point is called an inflection point. And when the first derivative is 0 and the second derivative is negative, it is called a maxima. And when the first derivative is 0 and the second derivative is positive, it is called a minima. So in this case, we have been given fx equals x cube, and the point that is given to us is x0 equals 0. So the first derivative would be f dash of x0, which is 3x square. Substituting the value of x0, we would get f dash x0 as 0. So from this we have three possibilities: maxima, minima, and inflection point. Trying to find the double derivative to confirm which of these three possibilities exists. So the double derivative of x cube would be 6x. Substituting the value of x0 equals 0, this would give 0. So here we can see that f dash x0 is 0, and the double derivative of the function f at x0 is also 0. This ensures that the point is neither a maxima nor a minima, but rather it is a inflection point, where we can see from the graph that x cube looks somewhat like this. Here we can see that this point, the curvature of the graph is changing from this manner to this manner. So it is an inflection point rather than being a maxima or a minima. So at the point x equals 0, the function fx equals x cube has neither local maximum nor local minimum, which is option D. The relevant NPTEL reference has been cited.